Final video to fix Equalizer APO not working on Windows 11. And if your audio effects aren't applying, let me ask you, are you opening Equalizer APO but changes don't affect your sound or it seems inactive? This problem usually happens because audio devices are not selected correctly. Configuration files are missing or system permissions block the app. Sometimes Windows updates or conflicting audio software also trigger this issue. Many people search YouTube or social media and find long guides with complicated config edits, risky reinstalls, or steps that feel hard to follow. Most of those fixes waste time and still don't restore functionality. But on Rexis, I focus on simple and reliable solutions. Now here's my secret easy trick. Instead of changing every setting blindly, we fix the exact audio device path and configuration that causes Equalizer APO to not work. This works because it restores proper control over your sound without affecting other apps. The method is fast, safe, and works on all Windows 11 PCs. Once you apply it, Equalizer APO works normally, audio effect applied correctly, and the problem disappears. I tested this fix on multiple systems, and it worked every time. That is why Rexis shares smart, stress-free solutions. If this Equalizer APO issue is frustrating you, and you want a full step-by-step tutorial with exact actions, comment below, and I will guide you completely.